Thank you.
So this is the first thing they put for the hikers that I've seen so far. So far it's been trees you have to hold on to. I better hope this is strong. It feels that way. Yeah, it's fine. We got it. Back at it again. Show this. So this is the way we took before.
And with the cats they're still alive.
The creepy ones. And they're the property owners here. And there's another entrance actually up ahead. We're gonna try that one. I think that one is supposed to be more civilized. Less ghosts and creeps. And yeah, we're definitely taking a shower with this one right now. Oh, that's plenty actually. It comes out a lot. I like this brand. And my face, ooh, it smells like...
No, don't do your face, Volkan.
What does it smell like?
Don't do your face.
No, you do actually. Just
no,
like,
it's not a good idea, guys.
That's it.
Oh, there are people, look!
Wow, they're alive. Well, don't just record them just like that. You're just pointing at him. Shut it. Alright, we're doing it again. There was a couple. She was recording. I think they're from Korea or something. Very helpful people. They told us to go up this way. Oh, that's the guy right there. And that guy's supposed to ask us like 5 ringgits, like €1. Like a little bit more than $1. You gotta pay to enter. And the reason they said is because apparently people hurt themselves, fall and die. Death is not hurting yourself, but I don't know how this helps. When you pay, I guess you're more careful. So they came up with this idea of getting permits, which is like a ticket to a national park or something. Anyway, huh?
You pay for... because you die? What?
You pay so you don't die.
Doesn't make sense.
No, he gives some prayers, some spells on you, so you don't die. And the dog. You remember that dog? It's the same one. This is the same friendly dog. Hey buddy, yeah, we're back now. So last time we were here, the guy wasn't here. We didn't pay anything. Maybe that's the reason the mosquitoes were on duty. Yeah, we couldn't go on any further. We had to run back, like literally escape this forest. But now we're all sprayed mosquito spray, and it should be fine. Okay, let's go. Hey buddy. Yep. Back at it again. We're back, buddy. What's up? What are you gonna do now? We already paid for it, so don't even talk. Don't even say a word. We have a watchdog with us. Look at that one. Look at that dog. It's gonna catch us if we fall. We got his blessings and everything, so we're all safe now. What about it? Look at that. Look at that watchdog.
Oh, you...
Yeah, this time...
I like you. You are so...
He's right over there. And these are the animals. It feels so much more peaceful now. It literally feels like there's no mosquitoes this turn. That probably is because we sprayed us. And he just warned us. He said, be careful, don't fall, don't die. You guys paid for it, so... Oh, look at that, it's taking a poo! Yeah, no, it's peeing. She's peeing. Just relax. That's a her. Female. That's a female. Just like before, this house is on our path, literally, on the map. It shows a hiking trail, but I think we walked through it. Let's just continue. It feels like a private property.
Yeah, I know, but instead...
This totally feels like a private property. If you hear a shotgun, Jackie, like real loud, we probably shouldn't power walk.
I will explain.
Yeah, this is it, yeah. It's through the path. It is through the path. Just like I said last time, just wasn't a good time for us.
Also, it starts raining really badly.
It also started raining horribly. Yeah, we were stuck actually. We went to it's in my previous video too. Malaysia for you. Yeah, we canceled the hiking and we decided to come to the Petronas Towers. We went to Petronas and then kept raining and raining and raining. All right, let's see what's coming up. There's a fence. It's a fence. Yeah, the dog just cloned itself. You wouldn't believe it. Now it's 2.
Hey.
Look at that. And by the way, we totally walked into somebody else's private property. It turns out. And we're trying to find a way. Check this out. It's a random chicken and its babies. And they're hiking. So, funny story. Oh, there's more. So we had to come down because we kept walking, and then this couple in a pickup truck told us, "Hey, you guys are walking towards my house." And we're like, "Holy, wow! You know, what should we do?" And they spoke pretty good English actually. They explained us that we are supposed to enter from a different location where it says "Do not enter." That's a funny one, but yes. Where it says "Do not enter with tapes," that's where we're supposed to enter, and we'll find out. Okay, and here, and this is the entrance. It says "Do not enter" in Malaysian. It's not even in English, so we're gonna have to just kind of like climb through it. All right, let's do this. All right. I got it. Okay, it's a nice entrance. So here's the thing. Okay, so they said the reason they charge 5 ringgits per person is because every time somebody injures themselves, they have to send a helicopter and take you to a hospital. So it's kind of like insurance money. So if you hurt yourself and they come get you, then you pay a big fat fine and you have to pay for your bills and everything, like the helicopter ride, the hospital, all that stuff. And that's that couple told us. It was good to know. At least we know we paid for a purpose. Okay, now, all right, that's the trail. Yeah, the dogs are still with us, and continuing.
Thank you.
So this is the first thing they put for the hikers that I've seen so far. So far it's been trees you have to hold on to. I better hope this is strong. It feels that way. Yeah, it's fine. All right, great. We made it to our first view. We're not even, I think that's the east peak right there. And we're going up that way. You can't see the end yet. We're moving along. Where are the dogs? I think they're up there. Go ahead.
No,
Just go ahead.
no.
Just say it. Whatever comes from the heart. Just say it. Say it out loud. You look cute. You look cute.
The sun is blinding.
The sun is what? Burning? Blinding. The sun is blinding. And then? Go on. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead. No, look at that cutie then. Let's get some distraction. Thank you guys for watching, and look at where I am. Look at this. Look, I'm on top of like a cell phone tower type of thing here. And this is the amazing view You can see the whole beach actually. Let's see, is it? Yep, I'm getting it. So we're in KUALA Island right now. We left KL, and in the upcoming episodes, in a few upcoming KUALA Island starts. And thank you for watching, and I really appreciate it. You guys are leaving comments and everything, and I do reply always. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you guys next video. Thank you. You guys are awesome. Bye-bye. Oh my God, there's a snake. Jackie, there's a snake.